Hey, stop there. Where's my checkbook?
Oh, I don't have it.
Hey, you don't move an inch when I'm still talking to you. That is a new rule in this house. Now, where's my checkbook? I don't want to repeat myself. Where is my checkbook?
It's in your room.
Go and get it. Right now.
This shows that your husband is a strong occultic man. I mean, how can you explain this?
I'm telling you, I need to deal with him. And I need to do that as soon as possible. Bam!
Welcome. You know I have your back.
I know.
Anything for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be on my way now.
You don't want to go with me?
No. Your mother will not be comfortable. She's with your friend. Yes.
You're right,
she
my dear.
wants to believe that whatever you guys do is between you.
Between us. Yes. I get it now. Okay, I have to run along, eh? I'll get back to you much later.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.